Spiders get a bad rap in the animal kingdom, often described as creepy, chilling, cool, awesome, perfect, even frightening. 6% of us are so obsessively afraid of our 8-legged friends, our fear has been dubbed a phobia. The rest of us tolerate them. Their image is not enhanced by their hairy legs, multiple eyes and venom-dripping fangs. This is why they're a staple of campy horror films and Halloween decor. But there are spiders that are surprisingly pleasing to the eye, and pleasing to the eat. While few of us will likely purchase stuffed likenesses of these spiders to cuddle, it's hard to argue their beauty. Number 10. Sparkle Muffin. Like most peacock spiders, Muratus jactatus does an elaborate courtship dance punctuated by leg kicks. In 2014, Madeline Gerard, a graduate student at the University of California, Berkeley, discovered this new species in southeast Queensland, Australia. Gerard lovingly gave her new find the nickname Sparkle Muffin. Mr. Sparkle Muffin has a blue and red iridescent belly flap that it raises like a colorful fan to catch the eye of a Ms. Sparkle Muffin. When he's not kicking his leg up, he's using it in his 7 other appendages to rhythmically tap out a message to his prospective mate. Envision a fan and tap dance with can-can kicks. Fortunately for him, Ms. Sparkle Muffin has 8 eyes too, giving her a wide-angle view of this dance, as well the ability to see motion. Unfortunately for him, if Ms. Sparkle Muffin doesn't like what she sees, she'll leave him. Only 4 of her eyes see forward, the rest giving new meaning to having eyes in the back and side of your head. Those eyes can also see a far greater spectrum of colors than the human eye. Perhaps just as remarkable as Sparkle Muffin's footloose attitude is that his size does not match his audacity. Sparkle Muffin measures a mere 4 mm, 1/6 of an inch, and could perch comfortably on your pinky's fingernail. Number 9. Brazilian crab spider. Epicodus heterogaster is a member of the crab spider family, so called because their front legs are longer and arch forward instead of downward, giving them a crab appearance. They can crab walk sideways and backwards. Crab spiders don't spin webs, but wait until insects come close enough to ambush. Epicodus heterogaster does this 2 ways. The smaller juvenile camouflages itself by perching on flowers that match its coloring, either white, yellow or purple. It also has an abdominal protuberance that could be mistaken for flower petals. Even its slow, jerky movements look more like foliage swaying in the breeze. An adult Epicodus heterogaster can also lure insects with a body color that reflects UV light. Scientists discovered this when they applied sunscreen to the back of a female and watched insects ignore it. They are not sure why UV reflective light attracts pollinating insects, but it's possible the light mimics a flower's UV color patterns or natural bright spots. Number 8. Goody Sapphire ornamental metallic blue tarantula. First classified in 1899 as Poecilotheria metallica after it was discovered in the Goody train yard in south-central India, this tarantula virtually disappeared for 102 years. In the wild, Goody sapphires build funnel webs in the holes of trees, and wait to ambush any insect that comes near. They then bite their prey with their venomous 3/4-inch fangs. Which means only experienced tarantula enthusiasts should take a Goody sapphire as pets. They're aggressive and very fast. While their venom is not normally deadly to humans, their bite is painful and will give human headaches and increased heart rates for up to a week. The rich blue and yellow hues of the Goody sapphire originates not so much from actual coloring, but from tiny nanostructures on the tarantula's hairs that bend and reflect blue and yellow light. This means the Goody sapphire will appear a different color depending on the angle it is viewed, a trait known as iridescence. Peacocks and dragonflies also have this trait. Number 7. Sequined or mirror spider. Another Australian native, Thweetdesia nigranodosa resides in Queensland's rainforests. Like most of the various members of the genus Thweetdesia, it has been given the moniker sequined spider or mirror spider, a reference to its disco ball-like butt. Its trunk is filled with specialized cells called guanocytes, a crystallized version of a digestive waste product, guanine, that the spider would normally poop out. The guanine reflects light making it appear silver, like a mirror, and the combined cells form a sort of poop mosaic. This glittery keister is especially helpful when hiding amongst the rain-glistened foliage of a rainforest. The mirror spider has yet another defense mechanism. If it's disturbed or must quickly drop from its web, it can immediately hide the guanocyte cells, changing its outer appearance to a drabber hue, like the muddy ground. How it does this is not well understood, but it's believed it contracts muscles that cover the guanocytes. In short, butt clenches. Number 6. Elegant golden jumping spider. We've known about the beautiful Chrysilla lauda for more than 130 years, but it is so rare, and so tiny, a mere few millimeters in size. Little is known about it. We don't know if its beautiful iridescent coloring is for camouflage or catching a mate's eye. We're not even really sure what the female of this species looks like. What we do know is that Chrysilla lauda is a member of the jumping spider family, and the few videos of it demonstrate that this little guy is a world-class long jumper. There are more than 5,000 species of jumping spiders and make up about 13% of all spider species. Even though they have no leg muscles, they can jump 50 times their own length using hydraulic motion. Their hairy legs also give them traction in virtually any terrain, including glass,